Good morning, students of class 4. Welcome to our e-learning class. This is your English text class. In the last class, we completed the story Nasiruddin's Aim. Uh, Actually, we have revised the story. Now we are revising. Today, we will revise the question answers of Nasiruddin's Aim. Get ready with your copy. Nasiruddin's Aim. I hope you can remember the story. Nasiruddin, he was boasting among his friends. He was chatting, and he was boasting with his friends that he was a very good archer. He can hit the target very easily. So one of his friends brought an arrow and bow. Uh, Brought a bow and some arrows and told him to hit the aim, but he tried 2 times but he failed, and each time he took another's name. He told that no, it was not my target. I was just showing how Azad shoots. I was just showing how Chief Guards shoots. Okay, so um, but the third time, luckily, the arrow hit the target. Then he said, look, this is my aim. This is the story. So now we are revising the question answers. The first one, what did Nasruddin boasted about? Now just check the answer. Nasruddin boasted. What did Nasruddin boasted about? Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Now, number 2. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Now, write the answer. Nasruddin took someone else's name each time when he missed the target because he wanted to defend himself. He did not want to show his failure in his skill in archery. He did not want to show his failure in his skill in archery. So each time he gave a lame excuse by taking someone else's name. Each time he gave a lame excuse by taking someone else's name. Student, as I told before, you can write the answer in your own words also. It is not mandatory that you have to follow my each word. You can write in your own way, in your own language. Only the answer should be correct. Okay? Now, number 3. Why did Nasruddin say that because he was lucky in his third time? Why did Nasruddin say that because he was lucky in his third time? Next, he said that because he was lucky in his third attempt, he successfully hit the target. So he said it was my aim. Okay, the third answer. He said that because he was lucky in his third attempt, he successfully hit the target. So he said it was my aim. Number 4. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? The answer is, I don't think Nasruddin was good at archery. He only boasted. He only boasted before his friends. These are the 4 question answers. Okay, students, please learn all the question answers. Thank you very much. Actually, I don't have the textbook. Somehow I manage this. Okay, somehow I manage the question answers from the internet. I downloaded the story, so I am facing problem also. So if the story is downloaded from the internet, so I am trying, somehow I am managing. Okay, thank you so much.